Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video on Superverse. All right, had to make a video on this. It's a bit too late. I mean, honestly, I know I should have covered this before. I looked at this. I mean, Super just in general. I think I'm a bit sour because I did trade it quite a bit right here, and I did make some money. Like I also entered Super somewhere in Israeli, so I don't have a fully bad relationship with Super, but I also lost a couple of times. So when I saw this bullish momentum, I was like, let's see where it goes. And where it went is very high up. All right, so I'm obviously very happy for all of you. Superverse in general, I mean, the developments they've made in the last couple of days and in the last week have been very bullish. And Super itself, it has great backing. All right, the founders and the advisors around it are great, and the affiliation they have with cryptos also often comes down to some sort of bullish momentum at some point of time, right? That's just the truth to it. So at this moment, I mean, and the developments I'm talking about is obviously the announcement that they created 11 hours ago. An announcement always creates some sort of bullish momentum if there already is hype, all right? So usually you get some sort of a buy the rumor, sell the news effect. So be careful for that. If the announcement comes out and it's less than expected, we can have some sort of a sell-off. So I'm just naming that right now. It's important to understand that. But the partnership with LayerZero is also amazing. All right, that also creates some sort of an airdrop narrative around Superverse. So that's all very bullish. But if you look at Superverse right now, and obviously, I mean, if you look at the technicals and the market circumstances, obviously it's bullish. But the big question obviously is can we rally up higher, and what's the situation? Because you can see, which I like a little bit less, is that there is a big divergence when it comes down to the price right here and the open interest. So less money is in open positions right now. We got some big liquidations here the 10th of February. So look, I think Super is bullish, and I think we can do some great things. But something like this often results in bearish momentum, and that in combination with that we can have some sort of a sell the news effect and event. That makes me a little bit worried. All right, so the main challenge and the main thing to look at is that our previous resistance level was between like 95, 97 cents, potentially even $1. So that was our main resistance level. That's our main support right now. It looks likely after hitting this level right here around 1.05 and etc. up here. So basically below or between 1.1 and 1.25, there's quite a lot of resistance historically. So what I think is what we're going to have to see and monitor is I think Super is going to have a bit of a pullback down to this support level between 97.5 and 95 cents, and that is the main challenge. All right, because if the only way Superverse could actually regain more bullish momentum and rally up to our next price target at 1.2 and 1.25 is if it finds support at this level, and that the open interest starts increasing even more. Right, but because the open interest right now, the last 2-3 hours has been decreasing. So what we need to see is we need to find support there. I think we'll find support there initially either way. But then after we hit support there, open interest needs to increase. Open interest or volume. I think volume is also fine, but volume is less good to look at. But if that's the case, all right, well then we have enough momentum, I would say, to rally up to 1.2 and 1.25. But and it's pretty stupid for me to say this in these market circumstances. I'm just going to be honest. But I'm kind of, because of this divergence, I would be preparing more for some sort of scenario like this, so that we will find support, but that the open interest, so the momentum does not increase after finding support. And if that's the case, we'll just have a bearish breakout and we'll drop down lower towards 85 cents, potentially even 80 cents. So I would say this is a bit more likely if we look at all the patterns around Super. It does depend on the announcement. I mean, if the announcement is amazing, of course, we're just going to be bullish. so that's definitely true. But the main thing is to await that reaction to 95 and 97 cents. All right, so that's what you need to look at. Now you know what to expect based on the reaction. If you do have any questions, of course, let me know down in the comments as well. But that's what you need to know for now. Don't forget to check out my premium and signal group if you're interested in that. A lot of value in there, but that's up to you. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.